Hello and welcome to the Applied AI News. Today, we dive into the world of AI agents and OpenAI's autonomous operator. We'll explore how memory and vision are being added to small agents in Hugging Face, and also showcase how new models like Google's Gemini 2.0 are challenging existing paradigms, and how DeepSeek is bringing new level of reasoning. We'll also cover open-source advancements for music generation and multi-agent system development, all while keeping in mind the real-world value for our users. Let's kick off with industry news and standards, where we see some powerful shifts. First up is OpenAI's Operator. This is a general-purpose AI agent that can actually use a web browser like a human, booking travel or shopping online. Think about it. This could significantly reshape how people interact with the internet, taking accessibility to the next level. This can act as a personal shopping assistant, tour and travel booking guide, helping elderly with their internet needs, handle social media on users' behalf, and more. While it's still in research preview and has limitations, this points to a future where AI acts more autonomously, not merely as passive assistants. Next, Google's Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking model was released. What's significant here is that Google is challenging the premium market by offering a model that is not only free during beta, but can explain its reasoning process, processing 1 million tokens, far more than previous models, even cheaper than DeepSeek R1. It also has native code execution capabilities and is topping the chatbot arena leaderboard. This is important because it promotes transparency in AI and pushes the boundaries of AI capabilities. DeepSeek R1, now available on Azure AI Foundry, represents another significant industry advancement. It's not just another model. It has been rigorously safety assessed, including red teaming, showing a commitment to safety and responsibility. The availability of DeepSeek R1 provides a cost-effective and high-performing AI model on a trusted, scalable platform, making such capabilities more accessible to various businesses, enabling fast integration into real-world use cases. We also have tools that allow language models to interact with its environment more dynamically, such as with small agents from Hugging Face, which now have vision capabilities, while can run on device because of the size of the models used with them. This means locally deployed agents can now process and act upon visual content, like web pages, opening up a new array of applications with higher level of security and privacy. Finally, in the industry section, we have Qwen 2.5 Max by Alibaba Cloud, which brings a mixture of experts model that has been trained on over 20 trillion tokens and is available through an OpenAI-compatible API, outperforming DeepSeek v3 on several benchmarks. This is important because it signals the continued progress in large language model intelligence and how quickly these models are improving, especially in an open and accessible format. Let's shift our focus to academic and science. Here, we see innovative steps pushing the boundaries of AI. A study on supervised fine-tuning, SFT, versus reinforcement learning, RL, by researchers at Google DeepMind sheds light on a core challenge of model training. The paper reveals that RL, especially with an outcome-based reward, generalizes far better than SFT. SFT tends to memorize training data, struggling with out-of-distribution scenarios, whilst RL improves the model's underlying capabilities. What's crucial here is the revelation that SFT is still essential. It stabilizes the model's output format, allowing RL to achieve its performance gains. This study not only validates DeepSeek's RL approach, but provides a roadmap for future model development. Next, we have Janus Pro, which simplifies multimodal AI with its unique transformer architecture that separates visual and coding pathways for understanding and generation. By decoupling these aspects, Janus Pro moves us towards more robust, flexible, and generalizable AI systems. And Complex Func Bench, a benchmark to evaluate language models' ability to perform multi-step function calls in long context scenarios, addressing a new capability that LLMs are struggling to excel on. DeepSeek's R1-0 model was discussed in detail in a special issue of Applied AI News. The article provided a set of resources needed to understand the R1-0 approach and experiment with a small-scale version. In the same issue, A similar concept from Meta called thinking LLMs was discussed, which largely gone unnoticed 6 months before DeepSeek's breakthrough. This comparison highlights the importance of demonstrating user value and effectively productizing an idea rather than leaving it open to interpretation. DeepSeek's R1-0 attracted significant attention primarily because it was easily accessible and clearly added value, while thinking LLMs, despite its similar concept, never became accessible and eventually lagged behind. The work on Sky T1-32B Flash, an innovative approach to reducing inference costs by generating shorter, more concise responses while maintaining accuracy, allows for more efficient and scalable models. This kind of research addresses real-world issues of compute costs, which is growing as more attention goes to inference time reasoning. Finally, a new model called Prompt Automation, or PDA-1, was published, which is based on Florence 2, is a relatively small vision language model. The model has achieved amazing performance in GUI text and element localization. These capabilities are critical for automating user interface interactions, with high click success rates, a very real value for the future of process automation. Now let's move to the hands-on realm. First up is the Intelligent Plugin Design Pattern for Microsoft 365 Copilot. This is not about basic API calls. It's about using LLMs and RAG to make plugins more intelligent, enabling them to handle dynamic user queries and draw on domain-specific knowledge. This approach moves from simple parameter-based interactions to deeper, context-aware assistance. This shift is significant for the work environment, providing value by enabling Copilot to assist with increasingly complex workflows. Next, consider ZEP, which addresses a key limitation of AI agents: their short-term memory. By using a temporal knowledge graph, ZEP provides long-term, contextual learning, enabling more personalized and accurate experiences. This kind of long-term memory is critical for agents that need to adapt to user interactions over time. This is a practical tool for anyone looking to build AI applications that maintain context and learn from their users, a clear value add to AI agent development. Moving to the practical realm, we see how agents can be made more capable. Pydantic AI can be connected with a PostgreSQL database for CRUD operations, allowing AI agents to interact with and utilize external data, enabling more advanced tasks. LlamaIndex's agent workflow provides a structured framework for coordinating multi-agent systems. And we have an article guiding users on building multi-agent systems using AutoGen and AutoGen Studio, focusing on practical implementation. These tools provide very real value to developers by making it easy to develop and integrate advanced AI capabilities. Finally, we have the music generation model, which generates full songs with style transfer and voice cloning. This open-source platform offers a value add to the creative industry, allowing users to generate music from lyrics with high degree of flexibility. In summary, we discussed new autonomous agents that can interact with the web, models that explain their reasoning process, and more efficient and intelligent plugins. We've seen the power of adding memory, vision, and advanced reasoning capabilities to AI, and the push to make these technologies more accessible. These are not just technological marvels. They are practical solutions that will enhance productivity and shape the future of work and open new horizons for creative and innovative applications. That's it for this week of Applied AI News. Please reshare if you enjoyed this content. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.